Well, that leg will never gonna regenerate. I just need to rest much more. And I'm gonna take all the items for any case. Oh, I already took that. So I think we're ready. I don't need one thing. I don't need 800 of 308 rounds. I think like this will do. And also, I don't know if I need 200, but anyway, this is my close range weapon. Well, one thing, sorry. I want to put suppressor and scope on it. So let's do it right away. Scope, I think, yeah, this is the scope, this is the suppressor. So I'm just gonna pick this weapon. Scoped and silenced. And that weapon is probably the highest DPS close range. No, the highest DPS small guns weapon in the game from there all. I don't know. Lincoln's repeater has a lot of damage, but it's a repeater. I should put when you use this button, so it shows DPS also. And this damage, yeah, it's a lot of work because everything is being done via scripts. So just out of curiosity, I can test it on Malcolm. Like, not even aiming for the head, and he has a lot of HP. So yeah, not only that he's down, but he's been disintegrated completely. He's not going to revive. Unconscious, come on! Oh, that's M14. I'm blocking everything. And you see, everybody is disintegrating. What a wicked rifle. So you see, it's really powerful. Wow, these heads are creepy. What the that shouldn't have. Yeah, they disintegrate, but their heads stay intact. That's weird. It's creepy as fuck. Damn this tree. I can't move them. What the fuck happened? What an unholy weapon. So this will be my Behemoth Buster weapon. It has only 20 rounds, so I will have to change magazines pretty often, which effectively decreases its DPS rating, right? 20 rounds won't be enough for Behemoth, but it will be enough for the Overlord. So if I see Overlord, this is the weapon which I'm gonna use. So Malcolm can effectively wait here. I don't need him. He might die if there's some enemies. That might not be fair, I don't know. Because all the stuff that I'm carrying, it's like he's helping me carrying. 1,000 pounds, yeah. We should be able to carry that with combined power. Many items that I shouldn't sell, I forgot to put them in locker, but anyway, I'm gonna do that in the end. I thought I should have more items. Okay, so this is how it is. I can even repair this. Well, okay, not today. think it won't break. Sometimes it just break and you end up going nowhere. Rivets it. This is a long distance. Let's see.
Oh, come on. Pay more attention to what you're doing.
0.5. Okay, didn't wear out. Yeah, when you're when you're badass, you can park your motorcycle wherever you want. Yeah, no one can say anything against it.
Stay chill, dude.
Hey.
So, oh damn it. I forgot to take this bandana and mask from okay, I'm gonna do that. From Malcolm. My trading apparel. Again, you might say it's not fair that I just go back in time, but so these two. Just one moment. Okay, let's go. Let's see.
What's the big idea?
Park right here, because I can. Well, they're running away. You can stay. I mean, no harm to anybody. Luckily. Only two people I consider evil. Whatever, I forgot one thing. It's been a pleasure. Trading apparel. So, bandana and mask. And glasses also. Hitman glasses, where are they? So now, I also have my barter increased because of that bobblehead. Yeah, which I forgot to put on that stand. Charisma 6 only. That makes sense. I lost 2 charisma when I got that android perk. I have piercings, I have this. That armor gives me +2 to charisma. Yeah, I have it all.
Have you found anything you like?
I like your caps. Okay.
Another satisfied customer.
Oh, hi.
Is there a
Hans.
problem?
Oh, you don't remember
Hello.
what I've done for you.
Stay chill, dude.
Decided to check out.
Okay. Oh well. He doesn't have a 308 round, but he has these rounds. Why is that so? He doesn't have BMG rounds. Anything bigger. Okay, I'm gonna buy these and these. And I'm gonna change those because those are the same rounds as 308 in this game. What can I sell to you? Can I wear these two? Oh, cancel, come on. Sorry. Why didn't I check that out? Earrings. Where are those? Together with piercing. Oh, I can't. Well, should I cancel that? Okay. But why? Yeah, I see why. Well, okay. Oh, I'm too sexy. This lady just came to talk. Yeah, she can be a
Made up your
follower,
mind?
but Malcolm is better. I think I haven't altered his. I need to alter his vendor chest separately.